Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor, like that.
Vice Chancellor Jonga North Eastern Hills University, Professor P.S. Shukla, la Pyntip bola Rngai, nakakwatar kabausa. Ya kanila itu, daw District Magistrate, Shaki Samla Pule ka school ba Nehu, kibayalum hakmat kahin sa jongu, hakashpoterik unaiwing arajar arpusaw. La yo Chingtip, ya kani ka jingja jong Professor P.S. Shukla, nakakwatar kabausa, kalong hadin bagi Samla Pule ka school ba Nehu, na ka Research Scholars Forum kila pelong ya kejingai procession ha pelau jong kani school ba ha ka bala shimmenta dagi post pa ngot ki Samla Pule
towards the petrol pump, then gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, so on till the VC residence. So we'll start now.
VC, step down! VC, step down! VC, step down! VC, step down!
Oi.
VC, step down! 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 Resign! Back! Go back! Go back! Chor hai! Chor hai! Chor hai! Chor hai! Nehu busy liar! 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 Down! 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 Down, 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 down. Chor hai, chor hai. Nehu busy kaun hai. Chor hai, chor hai. Nehu busy kaun hai. Chor hai, chor hai. VC, stand down. VC, stand down. VC, stand down. VC, stand down. Nehu busy kaun hai. Chor hai, chor hai. Nehu busy kaun hai. Chor hai, chor hai. Down, down.
Is not a mere of any fancy things for any VC or any administration person. It is a right for the student because that is the platform where we know that we get the recognition that we have completed some degree. So it should be have been like it by default every year. And when we have spoken this thing with the VC, whenever we take up this issue, then he used to say that we have given the letter from the office to the office of the president, but we have not get any response from them. So we have also gave a suggestion. I think the Nehu also on our behalf, they have spoken so many times with the Vice Chancellor. But we have not got any, any positive result from him. So because as we know that convocation, it should have been conducted by default. Now 2 years, this will be 3 years. If I don't see any positive thing that will become also this year, the convocation will be held. So can you imagine 3 years how the convocation hall will accommodate all the students? We know that they won't call the students and they will call only just the currently student who pass out. So what about the 2 years back, 3 years back student? They have the right to take the convocation from the platform so that they can I mean to say, like, can wear a gown. That is their I mean to say that they can get the degree from the person itself. So as the scholars, we have spent 5 years, 6 years here. It is very like, you can imagine the pain that they are bearing. I mean to say, like, they have spent here 5, 6 years. It's not a joke. Only scholars can understand what they're going through day-to-day life. We don't want to mention all those things, that the hardship they have gone through, though they have achieved the degree. So it is their right to achieve the degree and to be called for the convocation. And we also demand the VC or any VC to come up to take his the chair, that this should be in, I mean to say, in front to take the decision that the convocation should be conducted as soon as possible. That is the message from the Scholar Forum. So now I request all the scholars.
Your demands has already been communicated to the highest authority.
But why the VC is not coming and have a talk?
How? I told you I couldn't find the VC inside.
It's been a week now.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. On the day that, see, after we came, after that day when I left from here 2 days back, I am coming today in front of all of you through the main gate. We did not even come through the back door also. Okay?
Check the house along with the press.
Check the house along with the press.
Yes, check the house, check the house. Yes.
You can escort the member of the research club forum. Yes,
You escort them.
escort them along with the press. We'll see if the VC is still there or not. If it's not, we can file a missing report.
Let they are here today. They were there. The chief security officer himself is there. His team is here. They did not find. We did not. This has now become a place, a place of occurrence of a crime. There has been vandalism last night.
Kata dan proof nama sir, mana balik ni kita proof na.
No, that's what investigation is going on.
That's what, sir, that is actually not to investigate the security who are
That we're doing, but to ensure that there is no further damages to any public property or to any injury to anyone, I will still need the undertaking from the organizers.
So you can escort the member of the research scholar forum along with the press. We can check if the VC is still resident or not. If it's not, it's missing, then
We'll file a complaint.
we file a complaint. The VC is missing.
We'll call along with the head security here. He was supposed to be here.
professor are there. Some of the members, they will go and just check whether it is
Along with you with
No
the
longer,
police.
it has become a criminal place of occurrence now. We cannot allow you that.
how will believe, sir, that he is not inside.
You can ask the security or
Sir, we would love to see him here.
you can ask.
Just allow us, sir, any one of you, any member of this scholar forum, together with the professor, will just check whether he is there or not.
Along with your
I don't know. That
security
I'll have
itself.
to, I can't allow unless the police have an objection.
No, it has become a crime.
Time. Exactly.
Where is your chief security officer? Let the chief security officer come.
You can ask from us.
No. Call him, na. He was there when we are checking the PO. Where is he? Let the chief security officer come. Let the chief security officer come. We will let him enter.
Just ask around from the security guard over
Call
there.
the chief security officer.
Where
He
is
was
the
there
chief
when we
security
entered.
officer? That's what we were searching since 1 hour for him. Where is the chief security? Yeah?
He's not bothered about where he is.
I know this guy.
Just want to know VC.
We were calling your registrar, joint registrar from that time only. She's also not available. Your chief security officer was here. After that, he just vanished. He said he's just coming back.
That's the part of their
we
plan. We
need a
didn't even know, so we
security
just need
officer here.
There's no point to talk that way. Just allow
No. When we entered the campus, you only assigned the chief security officer with us. Where is he right,
I
right
don't know.
now?
I don't care about where he is. The
Hey,
student just want the
that's
vice chancellor. We
that's
don't know
what.
about the.
Hey,
what
you
the-
are the one who assigned us. We were the ones who. He was the one who liaised with
I
us
don't
and
know. I
entered.
don't care about where is the security officer.
They-
Just
they-
now
they-
they have their demand.
So how
need to
can you
meet him.
believe in the student? We are the student.
No
only.
need
What
to
will
twist.
we
No,
do?
you are the ones who assigned us to liaise with him.
Then I'll assign you to go out. You'll go out now. Then go out. Get out of here.
What are you speaking?
Then what am I speaking? You telling me I'm assigning.
What are you speaking? What are you speaking?
You're asking me that I'm assigning you this. I'm assigning you that.
What are you speaking?
I'm speaking what I'm
Just
speaking.
allow the talking. The talking won't help, sir. Just let us just check one. Information from the security officer of the VC. So I have given a statement that he said that around 2 o'clock midnight, the VC is not there. So we don't know, that is not evident, that we have not seen any evidence regarding that. The magistrate and the police officer was saying that they have vandalized his residence. His power, water supply also cut off. So that we don't know whether it is a truth or not. That lies on them. So what we want, what we have taken assurance is that they are waiting for the joint registrar to come here. So what we'll do as scholars and as students to support this issue, we'll go to the VC office. We'll support Nehu there, and we'll be waiting for the FIR, because the security officer is already here. So he has given assurance that it has been more than 24 hours. So we demand him that he should provide the FIR. That demanding is not like we demanding from the RSF, it's demanding from the Nehu, but we are just supporting for that cause. So we'll be waiting there till we get the FIR, his FIR that he is missing. But we have get the, the assurance from there, and they have given the statement that he has gone missing without any leave application. He just gone missing.
Listen up. Everybody post on your status that Nehu VC is missing. Shame on him.
So we'll march. I request everyone, just peacefully march from here. If you want to chant, you can chant, but please just march peacefully towards the Nehu, where they have kept their hunger strike, the VC office. Thank you.
If the VC is still resident or not. If it's not, it's missing, then I think when we file a complaint, the VC is the
Children has security here. He was supposed to
You are
get.
there, professor are there. Some of the members, they will go and just check. Whether it is
along with you with the police officer also. Criminal police won't leave until unless
He has to come out. He has to say something. He has to address. We want him.
for a while, just make a space here, and then we'll talk with them again. And if they are saying that the VC is not here, so we'll be calling all the administration people from the administrator. Then let them file a case that the VC is missing. Please come back.
Please come back.
Namba yangi nilapan magistrate mah permission ba ina allowed ini tani di scholars, but the professor kita lang ke tapi ngin pay tin bangin prinsisa baka day na amma.
See, your own person is already confirmed.
That's why I'm talking to him. I'm just talking to him. So ini ang itu yang some idea yang ang crime of sin mah. Ingin tak dia kata ka decision am namar you didn't have any evidence. For them also didn't evidence, for us also we don't have any evidence.
The building is still under investigation. So if we enter such a big crowd,
That's why I'm saying only few people, 2-3 people.
so sir has taken up the matter.
We know the sir has taken, but that is that's why.
He's not there.
That's what that is just saying. We are not seeing it.
He's confirmed to you. You should also touch, no?
That's why,
He's
sir,
the chief security
as a chief
officer.
security officer, you are the chief security officer.
Your
Why
professor
don't
was
you
here also
You
when
may
we went.
cross me also.
then why don't you file for the FIR that he's missing them?
I have to meet the authority first. She will call.
Who the authority?
It's me. I mean, at
How
what
many
time?
at what time did it happen?
She will come now.
No, what time
No,
that you
what
found
time
out that
it
this
Will be reaching
No.
No, sir,
I want
what
to know
time
the scene. At
Last
what time
night.
it happened?
last night.
Exactly. the
later
time,
time,
yeah.
like what time?
2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Now it's almost 12 hours. Yeah, almost 24 hours. And
So why
then
didn't you
till
file the
now,
FIR? No, why are you waiting? Our own VC.
It's emergency case, right?
If someone is missing, you cannot file an FIR.
Are we talking about the vandalism or
We know that one, but at least you should be very urgent that someone is missing.
And it is a serious matter that VC is missing.
But due to
So did he leave?
circumstances.
He's missing.
So this is
I think
this
he
doesn't
left,
look like he's
na?
missing. So this is cooking something. Right.
But did he leave? RVC, did he leave? He
Last
left, na?
incident.
Oh, he
Then we can
left.
say that assurance we are taking from security officer only, sir, that we will be informing to our respective research scholars and the professors here that the VC is missing. Right? That is your statement.
And
And then he's missing
from the police department along with the magistrate also, they have carried out the investigation.
Okay.
Now, if we not disrupt them or something,
See, we didn't came here to disrupt anything. So we also are scholars and we are
I know,
student. I mean to say we know what
I
is
know your
decorum of
sentiment.
things. Actually, the VC he doesn't know the decorum. He knows the students are facing difficulties. Say 6 days of hunger strike. He didn't even once he didn't came just to check also whether they are in a good health or not. Even one of the member of the student already hospitalized. Did he went to check?
I agree with you.
But if you take as a human being we say, if you're taking side of him, it's very shameful, huh? So that's why we are from here. We are taking statement from the security officer that the VC is missing, and we want it immediately that we should file the FIR, and we want it. We will be there only in his office, and we want to see that FIR report.
Okay, let ma'am come. Let ma'am come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
But why he left home?
He's missing. He's
He's
missing.
missing. VC is missing.
I mean, say he didn't report anyone. He's just missing, right?
Yesterday.
So the Nehu VC is missing. Okay.
Yesterday, ba? Oh, night.
The last night incident.
Yeah, almost.
Oh, the vandalism which happened last night.
For tonight, I didn't
After,
sleep. Before yesterday, yesterday night also. I have
after
been
that,
here.
he left.
We understand. We just want confirmation because
Please cooperate with us, okay? You are student, you are like my son, my sister,
Ha,
my daughter.
So
Please bear
after
with
the
us.
incident, he left, ba?
university. That's why.
Maybe
He left.
because
Acha.
of the incident.
But you can see, sir, VC from outside, he came with, he doesn't have even the humbleness. He doesn't have that empathy also. For anyone, none of us. He have the time to go to the main city to have the press conference, to give the statement. But he doesn't have time to come and sit.
He doesn't care. It's a matter of
he
life
doesn't-
and death.
He doesn't even come also to speak by himself. He always send the mediator. Now also the government also on behalf of him is a mediator only.